Discover the enchantment of Giethoorn with Xalam Tours. We guide you through this delightful Dutch hamlet, nestled in the heart of the Netherlands. As we glide through Giethoorn's tranquil waterways, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Admire the storybook bridges and charming thatched roof cottages, reflecting a time when simplicity and nature were valued. Surrender to Giethoorn's captivating charm and peaceful surroundings. Experience authentic Dutch cuisine, a culinary treat sure to delight your taste buds. Marvel at the beauty, the Venice of the North, a place teeming with life and tranquility. The car-free nature of it enhances its charm and commitment to preserving its natural beauty. You'll feel a world away from modern chaos, strolling along quiet, traffic-free streets. Don't wait until the last moment. Secure your tour now. Your Holland experience is waiting.